Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail.
First question. Which of the following films has won 9 Oscar awards in 1987? Options. The Last Emperor, The World Safari, Rain Man, Amadeus. Right answer is option 1, The Last Emperor. Next. Who has the power to dismiss the Council of Ministers of a state? Options. President, Governor, Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council. And the answer is option 3, Legislative Assembly. Next. Who among the following is a winner of the Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration? Options. Aruna Asif Ali, MGK Menon, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Ashok Kumar. Right answer is option 1, Aruna Asif Ali. Next. By which Constitutional Amendment Act preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended for the first time? Options. Never amended, 42nd, 44th, 24th. Right answer is option 2, 42nd Amendment. Next. Training for the Indian Police Service officers is conducted at options. Mount Abu, Mussoorie, Nagpur, Hyderabad. Right answer is option 4, Hyderabad. Next. Provision of Directive Principles has been incorporated in the Indian Constitution from which country's constitution? Options. UK, Ireland, USA, erstwhile USSR. And the answer is option 2, Ireland. Next. Which of the following awards was conferred on Mrs. Kiran Bedi? Options. Golden Globe, Saraswati, Magsaysay, Rani Lakshmi. And the answer is option 3, Magsaysay Award. Next. The first Black American to win the Nobel Prize for Literature is options. Dorothy Ashe, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Toni Morrison. Right answer is option 4, Toni Morrison. Next. Who appoints the chairman of the Finance Commission? Options. Parliament, President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers. Correct answer is option 2, President. Next. Who gave the new definition of fiscal deficit? Options. Milgam Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, Rangarajan Committee, Chakravarti Committee. And the right answer is option 4, Chakravarti Committee. Next. What is the minimum age to become the President of India? Options. 30 years, 18 years, 25 years, 35 years. Answer is option 4, 35 years. Next. Who was awarded the first Rajiv Gandhi National Savadana Award? Options. J.R.D. Tata, Dr. J. Rangaswamy, option 3, Acharya Tulsi, and fourth option, Mother Teresa. Correct answer is option 4, Mother Teresa. Next. Kalinga Award was instituted by options. Indian Military, option 2, Indian Adult Education Association for outstanding contribution of adult literacy in India. Option 3, Jnanpit, a cultural literacy society for encouraging the creative writing in modern languages. Fourth option, UNESCO for exceptional contribution of efforts to popularize science. Answer is option 4. UNESCO for exceptional contribution of efforts to popularize science. Next. Manav Seva Award has been instituted in the memory of options Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Acharya, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. And the answer is option 4, Rajiv Gandhi. Next. Who among the following can participate in the proceedings of the Lok Sabha but cannot vote? Options: Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Solicitor General, Attorney General, Advocate General. And the answer is option 3, Attorney General. Next. Article 312 of the Indian Constitution is related to which of the following? Options: Center-state relationships, declaration of emergency, Hindi language, All India services. And the answer is option 4, All India services.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.